Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. So if you want to deactivate your TikTok account, here's how you can get it done. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile button. Then from there you tap on these three lines on the right top corner. Then from there you tap on settings and privacy. From there you tap on account. Tap on account option. Then you tap on this option, which is the last option, deactivate or delete account. You tap on it and give you a few seconds to load. Then from there you tap on this option, which is deactivate account. Once you tap on it, you can now deactivate your account and the content you have on it, but this can be restored or reactivate at any time you want, and all your contact will be recovered, all your content on your account will be recovered at any time when you are ready to reactivate your account. And that's the difference between you deleting your account or deactivate your account. If you're kind of tired of TikTok for a while, if you want to take a break, just deactivate your account, and after a very long time when you are ready for TikTok, you can just come back and reactivate it, and you can still have all your content in place, your saved videos, your archive, your content, and all that stuff like that, which is very important to you on your TikTok account. You can still recover them all when you deactivate your TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.